Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am not in my kitchen, as you can see, and I am visiting the Aldeburgh Food Festival, which I have been going for the last few years. It's such a lovely festival, and I'm staying in this really nice little cottage which has everything you need: a little kitchen, some sitting area, nice place to stay, and also a nice little balcony in case you want to sit outside. And I am here with the family who are all very excited to be here with me. I love this space, and it's quite a welcoming area and a very welcoming festival. So I am here doing a few demos from my new book Chetna's Easy Baking, in case you haven't seen it yet, and I'm cooking something from the book.
Wow, so good to be back here again. Yippee! God, yeah, I can't seem to stay away from this food festival. Yeah, absolutely love coming here. And the forecast was for rain, which obviously clearly changed. Hopefully it's not going to come. And we've got some time.
After the demos, it's always nice to meet some lovely people and talk to them about the recipes and if they've been cooking from my books. And it's a really nice atmosphere. Lots of amazing food stalls, lots of ready food, lots of fresh food being cooked, and it's it's packed with people, and the sun is shining, at least trying to. The festival takes place in Aldeburgh in Snape Maltings, and there's other marshes. I am going to try some food, obviously, so going to start with my favorite fried chicken. It was delicious. It was topped with some fried onions, and it was literally melt in mouth, super delicious chicken. There were loads of food stalls, fresh food being prepared at the festival. And there was Pond Street, which is a very famous bakery from Suffolk with its delicious goods. They do really nice chocolates and some locally grown lentils and peas, and as you can see, lots of varieties of food. From cheese toasties to pizzas and some fish and chips. You can see there is Tikka Tonic, which is an Indian restaurant, and also some sandwiches in between. Here was Coriander Kitchen, which did amazingly delicious Indian food. Loved it. And fresh pizzas, really thin crust, delicious, beautiful. I tried some Thai food, and I went for a sweet and sour chicken, but actually it was more sweet, less spicy and sour. Too sweet for my liking, but everything was freshly prepared, which is always a bonus and definitely makes it much more delicious.
There is bullshit happening in London that we could have done.
Lots of cakes and brownie stalls, which is always nice to have after the meal. I did try some kind of more classic cake, this sponge, and it was really nice. I always feel so honored to travel with my book and take it to kind of people, talk about the book and meet the people who cook from it. It is such a joy and pleasure.
Take it home and do something amazing with it, I know for a fact.
Did you take the masher? Because it wasn't.
You serious?
Finished the meal with some delicious locally made ice cream, and in the evening the food festival hosted us chefs and had some lovely chicken, buttermilk fried chicken for our meal. There was fire going. It's all happens on the grounds of Snape Maltings. This fried chicken is seriously one of the best I've had. These guys are amazing and they do go around to a lot of food festivals. In case you spot them at any one of them, you must definitely try. The chicken is moist, crispy, spicy, and the chips were really delicious. I also took out a little bit of time to go into Aldeburgh town, which was lovely. I had the best weekend with the family and I hope to be back there next year. Just a little walk on the pebbly seafront, very different to where I live. And then it was time to say goodbye to Aldeburgh and the food festival. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you with the recipe next week.